Here are 3 things that, believe it or not, are the biggest things that will keep you from making beautiful art. First, judgment, self-doubt. You cannot do anything if I am constantly judging myself, talking down to myself, doubting myself. I know we all do it, but we have to let it go. It's not going to do me any good if I'm trying to make something, release stress, have fun painting, and I'm internally having a dialogue that's saying, "Ugh, gosh, what do you think you're doing? That's not good. You can't do this." It has to stop. We have enough judgment and doubt that come from the outside world. We don't need to cause it ourselves. Just let it go. Number 2, stop comparing yourself to others. It is so easy to look at other people's art and the level that they're at and compare our worst to their best and their years of experience to our novice state or beginning intermediate state. You can't compare that. And it doesn't do us any good because it's going to lead us back into that judgment and self-doubt zone, and nothing good can come from that. We've got to let that go as well. We need to just paint for the enjoyment and stop thinking about all of that so that we can focus on painting something beautiful. And then thirdly, painting to impress and not painting to express. Oh man, I think I've fallen in this category too. You know, we're human, we can't help it, right? We want everyone to look at our art and go, "Oh wow, that's amazing. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know you painted." I mean, yeah, that's awesome, but one thing I've had to learn to let go of is painting to please other people or elicit some sort of reaction from them. That's never going to get me where I want to go. I needed to paint for me, and that means expressing something from inside me, just for me. And when I do that and I stay true to that, I can't go wrong because I'm not trying to impress anyone. I'm painting to feel good and to maybe beautify my own home. Imagine, I mean, how cool is it if you can let go of all of those things? There's only 3, but oh my gosh, what an impact they would have on your art if you can let go of self-doubt, judgment, comparison, and then painting to impress others. And you just paint for you. What a freedom you would have. And honestly, what incredibly beautiful art you will paint because you are not trying to measure up to some sort of external standard. You are doing this out of pure love, joy, and freedom. And believe it or not, it shows through in your art. So do yourself a favor. Let go of the critical judgment, self-doubt, comparison, and painting to impress, and just paint for you.